morning guys and welcome back to another beautiful car spotting session in Sant'Agata Bolognese. Yes, the ducks are back. So cute, but most importantly, the gates are opening. So what will it be? A noisy Urus, okay. A very standard start here in Sant'Agata, but wish me luck, cause I wanna see some great specs today. Okay, let's see. Oh, the first Revuelto, it's an orange one. Very quiet, but beautiful color. Oh wait, it's a Urus SE. Okay, in blue with the orange calipers. Again, it's the hybrid one, very quiet. Yes, I do hear something kinda loud. What could it be? Can you hear it? Not the loudest Lambo ever, but definitely the loudest Temerario I've ever heard. Let me guess, another Revuelto maybe? Yes, of course. Oh, with the black bumper and engine cover. Angry blue Audi coming very hot. Okay, very nice spec. And it's a Performante. Wow, beautiful one. Take a good listen to the engine here. Okay, that was kinda nice. A yellow hybrid V12. Oh, okay, full matte black Urus SE. Alright. Yes, it was a test mule. But nothing that we could really see different from the normal Urus SEs. No, wait a second! Wow! Okay! I wasn't expecting to see... Oh, wait. Okay, loud Revuelto, but I wasn't expecting to see a prototype today. That was so cool, but I wanna know more about that. Ooh, yellow one. Another Performante. Ah, come on, let us hear the engine. Bah, okay. Wow, that's what I call a combo! And did you hear the other Revuelto driving here inside the factory? Yes, that one! So good! Okay, another Urus SE. Very bright red here with these silver wheels. Oh? Alright. Oh, angry Urus SE here. What a mean sound! And guys, talking about angry and powerful things, check out what I got here, the Flashfish S25, courtesy of the sponsor of today's video, Flashfish of course. This is one of the coolest pieces of tech I've ever had the chance to try out. It's the S25 portable power station, with a massive 2000 watt-hours capacity and capable of delivering up to 2000 watt of power. That means I can charge and power pretty much everything, my laptop, my camera gear, but even my workstation at home, or maybe a full-size fridge if I wanted to. And the best part, no loud generators, no gas, just clean portable energy. As you probably already know, I spend most of my car spotting days outdoors, waiting 6 or 7 hours for cool cars to get out. And I know very well how frustrating it is to run out of batteries. But this thing, yes, it's a lifesaver. You can charge it up via wall outlet with the absurd 1600 watt fast charging, but also in your car thanks to the 12 volt connector, and even solar panels up to 800 watts. There are nearly endless possibilities with this beast. Here has 3 different AC outlets, many USB ports, and even these USB Type-C ones, which can go up to 100 watts for fast charging virtually any smartphone out there. For a YouTuber like me who relies on my tech, it's an absolute game changer. Like for example, I need my laptop for a quick editing on the go and the battery is dead? Well, no worries, the Flashfish S25 is capable of running this thing literally 4 days. I tested this thing out and I was honestly shocked by how much power it holds. I charged my camera, my phone and my laptop several times during my recent trips around Europe, and it simply delivered. A big plus to me is the built-in smart display that tells you exactly how much juice you have left and which ports are being used, other than giving you a precise measurement of the power going in and out. Yeah, Flashfish hooked me up with this unit, but I've been really stressing it out. So far, zero complaints, it's compact, powerful and built like a tank. They also provide you with all the charging cables, nicely fitted inside this handy storage compartment that, by the way, doubles up as a flashlight. How cool is that? And thanks to the 1600 watt fast charge using the wall outlet, it goes from 0 to 80% in just 60 minutes. Just unbelievable! I will never ever thank Flashfish enough for sponsoring today's video. If you want a reliable portable power station with endless capabilities, please check out Flashfish store from the link in the pinned comment down below. But now, back to Lambos with this Urus SE in orange. I do hear an hybrid V8 here. Okay, it's the same one as before, I think. Well, nothing new at this point, but greatly appreciated anyways. Another Urus, another SE of course, but with the green calipers. Oh, have you ever seen a silver Temerario, guys? I don't, and it's pretty classy to be honest. Another great combo, yellow Performante with the black wheels and the matching calipers. And of course the silver Temerario, wow! That should be the orange Revuelto! Yes it is, with the matching calipers! Approved! We might have an hybrid Urus coming back. Beautiful blue spec, what is it? Oh yeah, Urus SE. Oh my god, I think we have another loud one. Oh, the gate is opening, I think that might be a Revuelto. Is it dark blue or purple? I can't really tell. Honestly, not that bad. I like the spec on this one. What a great paint job! I think it could be my first time seeing that one on the Urus SE. Very, very cool! Ooh, okay, white Revuelto here? Nah, in full electric mode! Ah, come on! What was that? Ah, come on! Another Urus SE, full black, black wheels and red calipers. Ah, and another very quiet one. Ooh, silver Revuelto! Oh my god, did you hear this startup? Oh wow, black Urus? But that was so loud! Yeah, not anymore, unfortunately. Ah! Oh, that's a Urus SE? Yes, the beautiful spec, and it's also quite loud. What do you think? Oh my god, let me take a closer look at this spec. It's so damn good. Oh, the yellow Temerario! Wow, finally a brand new spec. Not bad at all. Do you remember this one? Yeah, the matte black test mule based on the Urus SE, of course. Interesting. Hey, can you spot the military green Revuelto? Very cool, and I also think we have already seen this one a couple times before. I can definitely recall the carbon fiber options here on the engine cover and the matte military paint. Hybrid Urus getting back. Black wheels over the black body, but with the green calipers. Yo, it's the silver Temerario! Okay, now we're talking. Silver bodies, silver wheels and grey calipers. Ooh, I think that could be the Performante. Yeah, it sounds so great. They see me rolling. Oh, Revuelto in white. It's time for another Urus SE. Check out the blue calipers on this one. Very cool. I didn't notice them at first. Not a very usual option, honestly. Yes, another Temerario! Well, I think we can safely call this a combo! Tributo Ferrari 500 Abarth and white Temerario with the silver wheels and red calipers. There she goes, very quiet. And I mean, this is much louder. This sounds like a Urus SE with the hybrid V8. Yeah, I was pretty sure about that. Oh, wow, okay. With the Revuelto combo, so good. And it's the dark blue purplish one. Wow, it doesn't get any better than that. Oh no, what is going on with the blue calipers today? Very rare option, and even more on an orange Revuelto. That is definitely a first for me. Okay, another Performante. Black and yellow spec, matching calipers, matching wheels. Pretty cool spec for my favorite edition of the Urus. At least up until now, of course. Oh my god, what a spec! Wow, this is black on the body, on the wheels, on the calipers, on everything. Literally everything. Oh, we have another combo ahead. Urus SE in the front. Oh, and another Urus SE at the back, I think. Wow, bright red, silver wheels and black calipers, and the other one is black, I think? Yeah, just black. Okay, the first one went in. Okay, at least it has some green calipers. Very well, and guys, with this combo, hey, I think we are done for today. Yes, we've seen quite a good amount of hybrid V12s with the Revuelto, hybrid V8s with the Temerario, the Urus SE, oh, and also some other Urus Performante. Yeah, that was quite good. Now, don't forget the beautiful specs and, most importantly, that weird Revuelto prototype. That might be something new that Lamborghini is working on, maybe something we will see later this year or in 2026, who knows at this point. Now, enough chit-chat and Lambos for today. I hope you enjoyed all the cars and the video as always, and with that said, see you in a few days, guys.